And it is our boy, Yamatian, your OPATAFOR. That's a Boba Toyaso. Also, that's your OPATAFOR. And if it's Yamatian, OPATAFOR. And I was so proud, yeah. I hope you know I said, baby, yeah. Prophet OPATAFOR. Man of God. Yeah, yeah, yeah. OPATAFOR. Erade Shirawo. Yeah, yeah. Prophet OPATAFOR. Yeah, but where you go? Erade Shirawo. Yeah, 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 yeah. OPATAFOR. Prophet OPATAFOR. Erade Shirawo debia. Maya bofira na febia menyini. Mi wuro ni phobia. Otese OPATAFOR. Akanesi. Ofira neba. Oshane china. OPATAFOR. Ode na wodi asam. Na asam so ni erade. Esando nyame ayano. Why they say on my dendere? Osi ujatano. Na odumo to me. Okana na from peswebu. Afesi ana osa yarewa. Nasa okana breompa. Eya ejuri piebu kese. Esando nyame ayano. Nidi di OPATAFOR. Nasa usai nisi monia. Obaya chachama. Arinya uyiri. Anambo suse Dubai. Ayo nyangu ponsonfo. Emma muyi edie. Saoya ne money esrono. Ebrise wokite radidi kwawate. Yeah, yeah. Prophet OPATAFOR. Man of God. Erade Shirawo. Yeah, 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 yeah. OPATAFOR. Yamawa iko. Erade Shirawo. Yeah, yeah. Prophet OPATAFOR. Man of God. Erade Shirawo. Yeah, 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 yeah. OPATAFOR. Yamawa iko. Erade Shirawo. Esimaya bofira na mfe podia menyini. Maybe me who would be phobia. Otisa OPATAFOR. Ono okanesi. Ofira neba. Oshane china. OPATAFOR. Ode na wodi asa. Na asam so ni erade. Esa no nyame ayano. Waya no se on my dende. Osi ujatano. Na odu ojetu mi. Okana na from peswegu. Afesi ya na osa yarewa. Nasa wakano breompa. Ejura epiemu kese. Sano nyame ayano. Nidi di OPATAFOR. Ayo nyangu ponsonfo. Emma uye yo. We are the money esrono. We say one kita eradi kwa. Hey, 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 OPATAFOR. Man of God. Eradi Shirawo. Yeah, 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 yeah. OPATAFOR. Yamawa iko. Eradi Shirawo. The Spirit of Heaven Ministry. Yeah. OPATAFOR. Erade Shirawo. Yama, why you go home? Hey, hey. OPATAFOR. Prophet OPATAFOR. Erade Shirawo. Amen. right, good evening to you wherever you're watching live. I believe you are doing fervently well. It's a blessing to meet you once again. As I can see, most of you people are troubled in the spirit, but for whatever reason, a job and day, I'll send me catchy, a crown, send me free. Abuchi by and change America 7 will be moved. But it sounds good if you understand what I'm saying, yeah. It's me for soon jam me catchy kakra. Tamana, I think say a war class 5, class 6. Your class 5, class 6 now. Girl be by eh. So I know on TV na Jafino Frebridge Rabana. So because on TV I was in PT. And tonight, I said I'm PT Papa. I said the professor na. My force so na makachi. OPATAFUOR. It sounds good, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, you are welcome once again as how courtesy demands. Today happens to be on the 14th of April 2026. And then on Tuesdays, Fridays, Thursdays, and then Sundays, we normally do meet on this very channel, which happens to be OPATAFUOR YouTube channel as well. We normally meet on this very same channel to engage ourselves on an intellectual discourse. And I believe tonight you are highly prepared to welcome me in your various homes or wherever that you watch me live. Now, around the afternoon times, we did posted a video regarding an incident that did happen. So I've come to explain things to most of you people. I have received a lot of messages. If I am to show you my WhatsApp, the interface of my WhatsApp, you could see that a lot of people has tended in a lot of messages, and it's a lot. All what I can say is that keep calm. You know, OPATAFUOR is a prophetic gangster. One of the gangsters and the finest that you can get. Authentic as well. So keep calm, okay? Nothing happened to me. So you must understand things. Now, in case if you have any message, you can as well channel it to the comment section, and I will be very glad to receive your messages as well. And I will do my best to respond to you in case if it demands an answer as well. Now, let's quickly go to the comment section and read some of the messages that few people Omodiaba. Enti Ebenezer, it is Ebenezer Dunya, Bibia Bokodie, Fifi Esuma, Robert Donko, Kwame Apia Silas, Ivedubwa, Inakusia Sewa, Philip Bemfo, Mary Frimpong, Nanajua Ubri Abua, Reverend Adakwa, Christian Abuaji, and then Yahweh Champon, Mr. Yalfori, Felix Bibi, Nanaya, Ya Graves, Danny Che. Danny Che says he's watching live from Buffalo State in the United States as well. So thank you very much. You're all welcome, Danny Che. And Reverend Tinedu, Mwaibi, Nanesika, Nyama Bibre, Nkofo Bibre, Ahanament, Mary Dimunina, comment. But Nina, Echa Sante, Alice Asem, Bibiaboko dear. Bibiaboko. It sounds good. My Mary Magdalene, I believe you're doing great as well. And then who else? Mamie Kuya Beauty as well. Higaba, so Mamina Bibiaboko. Okay, now I believe so. Be aware. Yes, Justice or Suffer says, surely good and mercy shall will always follow you. Yes, thank you very much. The Lord has been so great unto me, and I'm highly thankful for whatever that He has done for me. Hey, Ebenezer says, Papa, I had accident today with motorbike, just some small injury in my palm. Oh, sorry, Ebenezer. Eben, kafra. Nanesika says, Daddy, please, I had a dream that I killed a lizard in my room. Please, is there any meaning to it? Yes. It's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. Danny Che says, sorry, hope you are okay. Danny Che, me who you? Bibian yemi. Ubi obekasi bibian yemi bi oboa. Bibian yemi. Video na omudi 2 mu. De si ye ni ma me chirechire mu nchire mu na mumu bi makoma entom yam. What you say? The TN say many was say Mr. say you koye your rounds by 1 to 2 a.m., 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. and you koye your rounds. And you koye rounds ni nyina wie no. Na akoye say aka baabi ba akopa wo say yeko. Ansana yatimi akohome. Enti baabi ba akona na wo say yeko. Na ye navigate your way out through the main Abrepo and Barakesi highway. Na yakofa Abrepo junction. Na ye wrem akofa patase wrem was santase runabout. Na ye wrem because na ye ko ahodwo and akoye nioma. Enti ye drew out say moi mafa Abrepo highways Abrepo junction Ekodru highway junction there. You can say Abrepo highway free Abrepo junction at the back Bushen station and a free girls school at the back Bushen station hodie. I was saying you know ya bepo enti aye BBC so hear me aye BBC enti wow free a higher ban obefro and some be land center no and a wow free hair ban so also befro no be land center now about be 80 meters wide and your fro be jina be pon so nti ye fro bae any who said car bi so aswano free Abrepo junction and eba enti osha ye na ye free girls school direction eko Abrepo junction ye were right and na the free Abrepo junction so eba besina twam to girls school direction on so left. But akwano speed na okoro. In fact, na asifim because untimi hu de hano. A young guy rasta guy bia or more brebia anya say wa bob brebia na say o bibibi. or more brebia was so no more share video no muhu the way acquired no sequel speed. It was so no every air Abepo Junction speedy pa speed and no ordinary in fact and ordinary. And to drew a year Bushen station hall na motorbike akwa bi ti motorbike so a oni omyemienu omti motorbike ni so enti osweve akwa na enko de bo eye motorbike no guys na omti motorbikes no so no ko de bo omo enti o save wo na eto no on say speed na ode no ena car no so na otwi no na car no he is not supposed to accelerate that speed. Now any question will cause that speed, you know, because one a chrome, two car na nkasana e crown enye car bia a Honda CRV ena obi a onim cars mu bia so be catch say Honda cars no eya na emu ha, especially a Honda Civic ne Accord ne CRV ne HV ni sawe no a cars in fact emu ha it was swerve enkrofo na ena amana na ewo ho no obom no lose control but still no na nine no or accelerate the 90 GS so or accelerate and the woman bia I think say ofre bushen kronim and the woman na pia bonten on the usual base say yes what to body o se kokko e wo station ho what you say or to body ase kokko se bibisa wo station ho na wa sorry asesa on say mo Ghana ne de wo o mo ya na ebisisa bottles any pure water after so ma take it out in suo no every pure water ni mo no ya o mo wo sachets na be kan ya nkrofo sesa enti untimi hu se wuma no okosesa sa bottles ni bi ne sachet because na ebi eso enti akwa no swerve o sebu sa nkrofo na o lose control ena ene a woman no wa mo amu de we aka ne board in fact car ne bo woman ne pa ye areho na car ne bo no satam no say ye line na ye namu no enam say ye hu akwa no say we lose control from 70 meters long between ye ne akwa no na 70 meters but you see enam say na or accelerated to the highest sponge until or bow my na satam na yesu ye free ye line him yakojina Bushen market nanim because akwan ka na tia faso na ye free akojina market nanim ye gina market nanim na odi bow man ni wie ye na osai turning steering no on say steering no turning say either say no na turning free in some o say die yo nanka on say car de mo ye good mutimi ye good analysis no mo hwe video na enka car de enka ebo obi a enka ebe de ya enka speed no so beti kakra but with the issues of this guy no yes I need because as at that time crowd or the car bow woman na still in the 9C accelerator so or accelerating and imagine Honda CRV what media boy ye come under normal circumstances no anka car ɛwɔ absolute balance egyina hɔ nyɛ sɛ car na chia no waka sɛ o because you people your car was doing this or that. The car took its absolute balance. Na car na timi abɔ woman na sa bɛ bɔ baabi a passenger side no side no front abɔ me side hɔ no abɔ awura mu amoamoa ɛhɔ no kora sɛ mo amuhu ama car no ahwiri car no ama car na samasoto tie car ne samasoto in fact samasoto in emuriye ɛna nam sɛ na ne nan esi accelerator so ntino epia car na de ekoto market ne side ɛna ye kan sɛ car ne boot ɛda ne ye nti car na beto ye mom so ɛna gya ye hye car na se asamasoto ɛna ye hyase na gya ye hyase tie gya car ne samasoto ya ye hyase na gya ɛhɔ na akwa no ogina etu ogina ye no ɛna gya me ne Mr. Say ɛgya ye hye car yi mu na ye ba na gya ono tie mu sɛ papa hoye ono se na adwene no office bia the way a car is bomb in there no because sadie we there e bo a nye easy say who be survive it wo tiam ye say papa hoye no na say oh ya me adom energy you finding way un say accident is here na doors ni nyina locky especially accident be siama car abol gate mu ni ade sa we had there a bell lock until there was something like a central lock energy you force ya ni bie kwan to ho nti kwan ni bie to ho naja me pie free mu me force ya na me pie free mu because when say car ne die ya sana asama sorto na ye yakoda car no ase tie force ya me pie na ja Mr. Say so e pie tie pie na chese me de bibia nya me eja say so bibia nya me na emom no woman no ena in fact akwa na kunukwa tieja I say accident see I was so involved the police and the MTTU and the staff the necessary legalities involved in a far so and number 2 car na ni ade e de koye tieja ombetam ombeto di koye na ja e de didi hu abobo a ni ade a ena ja obi ade ko fie ntina I was say unia okọ hospital ja ye ko fa fidie mu ana chese obi aka abomi a ka asama so to amakọhya ase no me hu ba bia anka me tiri mi kura ntu Mr. Oseso so sa nese ede radi ase na in fact o hwe accident na obi a ono free say on say yesi enti ono ni o obesina twema kosi yesu ye kosi na car abo obi wo ye lane na ya base abe parking wo ho na akwa ne sa the car na to ayen enka at the initial stage no enka wo say e collide ananka abom say face to face like this but we there me side hono and a boy so the agenda was to eliminate OPATAFUOR but you see So basically, that was the whole incident. So as you watched in the video where the guy was overspeeding, and he was saying, "Oh, speed sir." Eja boys yi uhu de ha omo kono no nioma ne saa na in fact ayare ho. Enti wo hwe video na me pese ye hwe video ne kakra na oti ase ehu de eko. So basically, let me get the video. Ye share video ni kakra. Enti omo nim se jamre. Me ye sa nkwala sofo na o ya ultimate accident. It take you omo from the system no. Yeah, I need 2 minutes na me so 2 minutes me ni Jacob tumfo na nam. Enti se Jacob tumfo ama kwan a ontimi nya me hweda. Ena de ebi ato ye kura esini weida de oso ote ase no ebi ato ya esono de asida so ate ase se omo strategy ni se o point you omo harder. Then they stage an incident where through that particular incident they will eliminate you from the system. So omo na o power na onka omo society no na ye genuine omo stage na omo ma BBS no dey take you na eya na enye spiritual because 2000 years ago the devil was incapacitated. And he easy say devil no so betimi adi osoro esu nkonim da. Enti omo find physical incident. Normally they are eliminate you from the system. Enti they can pay people to execute such agenda. Omo betimi atu di paka. Na omo dia ayiwa free ho. Now ohwe odifu amoako a sa accident ya no mo stage ya obodi kum odifu amoako efiri system ni mu na de ma obi beka se de na ma eye te se obi beka se normal accident na asi enye normal accident na asi enye normal accident na asi de enti ameka sa ne se na prophecies edin kamba na Jacob tumfu edin kan ka kire me say two powerful secret society ewo asasi so o maka bom we enye sofu bia na ye we sofu bia ni sa tumi no ena enye konfuo bia eye two powerful secret society. Sa secret society no baako ene take Kobe Bryant e free hono. Sa secret society no so baako ene take Nigeria on bank panyini bi na omo eliminate no. Enti omo stage accident. Ebi na odifu amoako sofu amoako omudidi no abra no odifu amoako na ne mpaye ne nwosra ewo odifu amoako so no na eha esumutumidie ne nkabere ne wiediefu no na omuntimi nye sacrifice enunti omo yese ombeyi no enunti no omo stage physical accident edi eliminate odifu amoako free system ni mo no abra no odifu amoako onwie na adwuma enti omo eliminate ni free system enti me de no saa na koyeye enti na ye yawe dada enti mu be study a on some last video no me share that crab because na me nim say owuo na ben enti me so me koye de metimi di aye na ma kire omo se otumfo na me di na chi no nso te ase we enye sofo bia na ye a too powerful secret society enunti prophecy ebai okode na oka atiasefo ba nan no ho obeka kire me say me da ho anopa be 9:30 thereabout ena ode ne nsa ehuku me kwachi to ode me huku me ko asase bi su no ko kire me ti me duro na ifuna ka fefefe esiwo in a form of gold color to duro no o yese me yese ombie adaka no so but okode na miesu atasfo ba na no wa miesu edidie ye ne say me hu ye ne say ode maben eye ifuna adaka na ensuo sa efri ifuna adaka no ho apie na ensuo apete me ho enunti anopa no ena me ye ma adwene say no me frɛ empenfo adionu na ne de otoso eye edunum no na mbusa an say ade ese ne mahu na hintasem no e kire say na o kire say society say na o my sacrifice aye rituals e wo ho a o say no matter what eni kwan say afiwe utwa they must take you from the system until they will stage it in an accident way. Until now we were prepared. Anopano minya emunchi asre emuntira enchiremuni ade no anche ena me call me construction site. It be call construction site na me baba ako ono so nyame ada na di e de akire no ewo adi yim edo kan no man kasa ono kro di kan ka kire eja sese mahu se ye na ye ben papa ye nyina ye kwayi but papa de no onka ho but ye nyina obi esu ye kwayi into okan ye no na media me yawe dada ntina ato so enti ewo mu ana me baba akoso wa America onso so ese onya adi afa me ho na onya adi no na enkrofo bi ahihye black o my say okotofo but omo na di wiase so ena omo ka say OPATAFUOR high too much or high too much and into kwa be ne be fa so eliminate na free system ni into hu so omo boy hopo into o ka kire me say me nye careful na msiu matemedanase enti me baba akoso so e wo Nigeria or a prophet and of frame and o ka kire me say papa menya di ye bi na e repeat sa about 3 times na onya di ye no na mawu a e de mato adakam ye kosie mi enti ye kosie mi na nipa esu na ohu ya nse ewiem abie na angel efiri wiem na wa strike ifuna adaka no o strike ifuna adaka na ebie enti ebie no ena me sorry free ifuna adaka ni ena na niti na I repeat several times to okansa na msiu mate but me na me aware dada enti emuana Jacob tumfuo edi emu answer e buy say ni kono koye wo ye wi a amane ne de beba but be kire o mo say me na mekum me na me mankwa enti na ye nyina ye yawe we were prepared enti your last meeting no answer me share that cram enti na ya ye bibia wi me twen say amane ne beba enti so lucky ena akwai ede sa problem iba enti mo hwe video na car na ebo woman me pa chonya me car na emu me na me car ejina nchen a akwa ne di be hwi mu na under normal circumstances no I say it will sound so mysterious for an ordinary motorbike to hit, let's say, Honda Accord, and then the Honda Accord will somersault. I would say Honda Accord a more to normal motorbike. It is one say motorbike a be shit a Honda Accord mu na Honda Accord no etimi ebubu afaso. I would say enye normal. Enti under normal circumstances no ye yusu Highlander. Enti Highlander na ye yusu no emu edu sene Honda CRV. Honda CRV na emu ha. Enunti o sha enye possible say eye Highlander ya paki esi ho. Enye se bia ye twi o no aka say mu twi na mako collide na edisa problem na ba ya paki Highlander na si ho na Honda Honda CRV etimi abe car ni meme side ama car na hwiri akosoro abe bohopo I will say a somersault. So just imagine etu enyo bi na be catch no say ya paki say fan say cars ni mienu mensa we na cars ni mienu ana akwa na bedi ye line wa bedi ena yakoha akopake ya na car na bo woman no na speed ni so ante na atimi asaba bom me car ni mama na sa ro abehwe ho abra ya paki unse enye normal kra eti eja isi ye no ena me kofie ba mani ji me re ahoda me sere sa me re a ehuru me re a ehuru ye me re ehuru ye twi kasa no onse brofo sebuni nti me re a ehuru ye no eye woman na owu ye no eno na ye me ya because wa say obi ejapade kwa wa kuma no for no reason what you say na say me car na somersault ne me na me involved in the incident ne dia me dia ahame ne mo me sorry ya na me pie free car ne na say I love it the entire me can say I love it was because it's a game, and if you understand the game, things like this will make you happy. Me a game master. Eti sani o maybe say no na me a game master. Yeah, game master. Nya Jacob 2:4 credit say me a game master. Ena o say o your corte grandmaster o ye there me three me back kura untimi ntu me three me kura untimi ntu forget it because said the oji hu di no wa punu hu no saa na me so mapunu me ho nioma wo me ho enti wo untimi nya me hwe enioma bebre na asisi na yana yemfa nkyere mu di ntia yemfa nkyere mu no se ye kan yana mu bi wo ha mo be fi se eye bosirem kasem eye azan na ye ne mom no we die mia me se me de be kyere mu na mo hwa de e kyere bi me ka se me ka asama so to ama ya kwahye ka ase ama mapia ahwe anwemia obi a otan opatafo be ka kyerɛ se eya anumdwa opatafo nka no kore be de na ka asama so to ama ka be to so a ohunam ba bia nti me decide se ene me di video ni be kyerɛ na mo so ma hwebi no mo huru se opatafo me ka kyerɛ se dwane bra Jacob tumfo nkyɛn a enye se anumdwa na eye me de se eye me opatafo ne to me tienie me baba ako minim se ohwe me nana ya na no ka ko twifa omoso ka ko twifa omoso ote store a oye adwuma na ka twifa no so e wo the same bushing station eti principality kura wasole wo bushing station wo de onwie na me sorry ne so obo say yes enye better me baba ko nana ya owo ni container mu ana anu aka o se ka be wura ho che se yam se enso so omunyina pie asundwiem a omote ase ne se odo ho tu awurade so a adi nyina be di aboa wo na wie wiye de bia me ka kire wo say fortify yourself and protect yourself in the Lord. What do you say? Protect your home for a home boy Jacob tumfo na kwasie bi anku anto antwene no anye ne wo say ono de ono abin na de se bibi o boa. So basically that was exactly what happened. So let's see something. I want us to see something. If I tell you bibi kitu ebi. Ye hwe bibi kitu ebi. If I tell shadi o hwe screen so a hwa ahana accident ne hwa ase. If I tell hwe screen so ahana accident ne hwa ase nti mo hwe ni din ne hwe. On say woman na car no born won na etwa mu no ena guy bi kura polity mi no wa be gina kwan ho on so we gina ho no enu ti o de hwedin swon ba che wo hwe men sa no omuni enti akwa no speed na na okọ no motorbike we anko di dwa omuku omoto twene. So, yes, I heard it. Sorry, woman ni etwa mu no. O woman ni. Abrante bi so ne kura. Aha, enti aha. Ye kwan. Ba bia aka ni si no. Ono no kwan. So, enti ye na ye bante o se ye fa ha. Oh, she speed out. Enti ko de bo motofuo we mienu. Ko de both motofuo we mienu. Enti anu ni firi ho no enti o save motofuo ni mienu no ena odi kobo eye we enti ya hwade o e pa cho hwade hwade mami enu ni enti o save no na motofuo ne swerve ye no ana de esiye ni enti o de hwa ha din o hwa ba cho hwa ha hwa ba bia kesa ne nam no Ohwe ha. Na above 514 ahomache. Hwe woman ni o. To was every year no woman ni. Hwe woman no. E ba cho wo. Yes I hwe bi. Oso every year no. Ana woman ni. Woman ni na etwa mu no. Enti hwe card ni. Yes I hwe bi. Enti woman ni. Woman na eba no. Woman na eba no. Eti o hwe ha be ba cho hwe ha. Hwe ha. Se ka bia mu ni wa ha. Me ba cho hwe ha. Se ka bia mu ni wa ha. Ye ka no no. Edi ntie no ni sa hwe biem. Me ba cho hwe ha. Be bia me de pen na kyere no. Enhwe woman na aka be bo no hwe ha. Se ka bi wo ho. Ye hu nu no. Akwana be fa ye la anim. Hwe. Se woman ni. But car, yeah, dear, Enuni. Into your car, no dear boom, mamma. Enuni. Dear car, and to say, speed now, or no, edeno. Speed now, no, edeno. And can a car, no, instead of say, I was a cousin, a boom sash at any and share, a junction. Enti me car ni. Me car ni. Aha. Eya bo shenjum. Efiri ha. Efiri ha ko nyina ya bo shenjum. Efiri ha ko nyina ya bo shenjum. Efiri ha ko nyina. Efiri ha ko nyina ya bo shenjum. Enti me car no na adane ye wo ho no. Eno ni. Etime card ni. Etime card ni. Imagine ono Honda ono utimi ono ne car ni boy no. Boy ne car ni. Me car ni. Me car ni. Eno ni. Eti na ye car na se. Enti boys no na eye ni say e ma ye pie enti wa hwa o se nya normal e fe kra akwa akwa ni kani enti ha no eno ni o se enkrofo ogu ha e ba cho ma me kire wade bi ba cho hade o hwade enti ha mo hwe ha aha na hwe ba bia car no bo wu ma no etwe na sia de ba beto ye ma wu ma no enti ha no beto ye o enti car no twe wu ma na se car no etwe wu ma na se for about 30 to 40 meters wide. Into on nkrofo atwa no ho ahia no. Nti saa na etie. Enti nyame de we are bi no mu di amo akono. Na me de me nya bete saa dabi. Tuha eno anwaka Osha aniaka usa aniaka sudi aniaka ne wo ho no aniaka aniaka wi aniaka no aniaka wi e kade no so di speed pa na eba nti akire ha so na speed pa na wo nti boy ne de eyeye car no ne save boy no nya sa de aka boy no two things. Enya ye car na save boy na. Enka two things ene besi. Either say boy ne de car ne bekwa kwhye anea car na etwa mu no ase. Anase wo de bewura market wo ne nua ne bia wo na akunu. Reverend Tinedu, that is a good question. Or a vessel, boy, no, a vessel, or man who cry ma Satan. On say, Bible say, Satan and now, na opedie, obenyano, na ordinary juma. What you say? And you are a quiet down who be an, and to say Judas. Kwan da Judas ho enti na Yesu nim se amane se da nam kwan mu ba enti wo a amane ne be nam so be ba bia no wo na wa ma ho kwan ama Satan ayusu to hwa on se me side ni o hwa me side pa na bibi se oh enti wo hwa bibi se ya. Just imagine. Why BBC ade ne bisi. Ha. Na me hu ba bia nti. What you say? Me hu ba bia nti. Me hu baby auntie. Now, this is next. The next thing is say, Adia, I affected me about coupe. Adia affected me no about coupe. Me phone and a rai. Me Samsung Galaxy. Car ne sama so to sahano. Say boys na no mo gina ho no mo wi phone. Eh, be wi ase. O ma fa phone ena me iPhone baako me iPhone baako eno so ayira jese ya frela na eja opatafuo me new option na was say me koto phone animu ya ena me kokoto phone na eno ne me ka mabo in fact ahye me pa because na me nye ma adwo se me tofu sisi na ewiase makwabo kasa no. So that's just by the way. We wish the family of the deceased person, we wishing them the best. Na me na dema ono aso na egie. But I love it. I love it. Yeah. Because I'm a gangster. And gangsters, we don't complain. We endure. I didn't hear. Untimi nkanchirem say, oye carpenter. Na hammer bow on saswa. O say wabamu abu say hammer bow on saso. Untimi nkanchirem say oye electrician. Enti electricity shock wa. Oria ho. So what you say? My Mary Magdalene says, I will pay for your phone, prophet. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much. In fact, my book my phone no dey asheme. But all the way it sounds good. Enunti Onyankopon de o de ho to no so a ade nyina di bua wo na wie wo yie. Ahobambo ifre Awurade. Awurade nsam na ogye wo. Ehira ne animonyam nyina firi ososo agya ho. Fa ho to Awurade so na abremu oden no wadi aboa wo. So what I say? Edi sanity. your friend OPATAFUOR. Enti se wo hwe video bi na obi ti ba bi se ebia OPATAFUOR mo sofo no na yese de eba bibia nyame memfa aka nkobo obia memfa aka enkobo obia bibia nyame mini bibia nyame opese bi nsori nyina hoso a mesori agina bibia nyame and it sounds good. And I'm say nyame ye na kama akoma nyame kama akoma on the 29th of December bra so it is OPATAFUOR say 29th December ne benya abaso a me a game master na funny say OPATAFUOR me claim say me a prophet na obi atimi abopo na epo na wabo no ebe take me life na me a prophet na a prophet of my caliber, a prophet of my type. Me nye ordinary prophet too. Me nye ayo me nkura mantle. You prophet o mukura mantle e me nkura mantle. Me a high ranking scribe. Me a high ranking scribe. A scribe for heaven. Enti me nye ordinary enipa bi keke no aye say obi onam kwa ho bi na watimi ashe occultic society na mo ma weki se mo kuna firi wiase mo yale papa na me betesa what you see Tinedu says they know you have vital information on your phone. Yes, of course. I have very vital information on my phone. That is why I have locked my iPhone, especially with the issues of the iPhone. I have locked it forever and ever. Media more headquarters, the IP ni we ni na lock it say omo phone naira into omo locking forever. Intinura na metena machine ho ye ni na me high tie me title no me high ranking scribe. I am a scribe. Me nye pastor, me nye prophet. Me high ranking scribe. We say me high ranking scribe no. Oh to me ebe weki me ekumi just like that. Now ni me say saa de ni si a ebe ye sinti di ato e de ama agidifo. Obi kwa kogina ba bi agana num aye say OPATAFUOR ye ne ho se nyame nsa wo no so nye ne wawuo no obua e nsi da se saa wo tirim di awasa fioko bibia nsi mitiri ni kura tibi ntu eni nya Jacob tumfo ne ka kire mo se he OPATAFUOR me na mikum me na me mankwa saa de mema na si ne ma kire o se de me pena me kunu de me pena me man fira asase ne so. Imagine say wako situation bi mu sei na utiri kura antu enya na me de ma ho ofesi hoi ana uhu ya unse my fresh eni o mapanko a eni o mapanko a eka na mabobi eka na mabobi bat ni nyina ebe menka se be kotofon enso mamma tofon edunti saa atie so atie ase my fresh unse ni o mapanko ni o mapanko e kana maboba te no ma atie ase no ma e, D4 OPATAFUOR da wasiensa ade nyina sutumfuo ne osoro agya Nyankopɔn ono na enwoma ketewa bi kura de nsam na ya twero animu ni akire enra enaja mekwaje iPhone baako. What does it? So that's just by the way. Ediwa o hwe mi bia me ba chaw emo aba mu OPATAFUOR mete ase. Hwe nyame. Oh, Linda said that is a chicken change. Of course. You know, when it comes to OPATAFUOR, that is a chicken change. That is a chicken change. You should understand. Big ups to oneself. Don't worry. Reverend Tinedu, I understand you right from your message. Don't worry. You see me a game master and I love it. I don't like it on a smooth way. I love it when it is scary. When it is scary. I don't like it when it is smooth. Me say smooth me pen terrible. Ade hu anu akoma yema show. Na say yen ya survival cra chain we. Nneoma atoto ye ne we dey say so. Nneoma atoto me na chain we sir. I love it when it is scary. Me penioma ena me ya aware. Entinsuro. That is death row. I love it. Big ups to oneself. Yes, Patrick Ahin, I like it mafia way. Me pen mafia. O chere me say ho nam so ma chere o say me wo ho. So enti we na wa WhatsApp me no. Na me so ma tretew. So what I say. Enti ye be ye ho saa. Uyi mi faswa. Na ma kran no champion. We see me you faswa, of course. No be salute say massa o ye king. I've been in the game for 17 years. 17 years of engagement in scary dudes. I have engaged in several scary dudes for 17 good years. They pay people to come and assassinate me. They pay people to come and gun me down. They bribe people to do all sorts of things, to level all forms of accusations and charges against OPATAFUOR, but I'm still ahead of the game. Why? I'm a game master. Don't think say ubetimi agina a long story that be hey moto na watafre na ye osa na me unim de meso medi. Don't worry. Tony Auche says, Papa, give to them. Don't worry. Maybe a high-ranking scribe. Unimu akohwe say, your cast will be a scribe. I will have in a say. Tinyamin Shramo. Because I'm your ordinary sofa now. Wabe stage accident di akumiana. Maybe me da hosana. Ade catch me or say, sorry. Oh, just 30 minutes. Sorry. Na nkrofo bi ba so omu kuratu ombekum. Omatimi allocate baby awoda. Sorry. Ena me yenam si ajikomtumfo na ade na on block you obsi there bi. Me pese omo ba, ombeba na woni ho. Obi ama omo tip of say e ball be 9:30 to 10 ya wa ba fie. Enti omo ba. mpese ombeba be ye na uni ho timi pie ye be 1:30 and aji koptum for ka chem se sa kofie me koye no ma lutu dem wa pia mpa no ma dwem se me hempa na se eye normal am robbers and e ba so a enka usika that dem no se nkom befa na me wo few pounds be that table so o ba do manfa bibie no mo fai na ade o mo fai sika baby na sika ne da na me iPhone sa me iPhone na loaded with information. I don't know exactly what they are looking for, but iPhone the omo fire, but sika the omo mpe. So they think maybe I have something on my phone. No. Me a smart guy. Me educated. Me a smart guy. Ain't you know? Me phone offer normal videos in any man go so. Unya any secret biya. Me computer crazy fie ni so. Apart from enyum normal enyum na was ni so. So what I say? Enti ase wa brabo no anti ase a ontime nante ntimo no me nye normal sa me against game na me ye me ti ase me ti game na se sa na tie me against me ti game na se nti man how me ti ase enti nyaw se o kohwe ba bi agunsa ama bosom bi abekum da bosom no kro di agora mama na abo asesa ohwe ade we pin ho still OPATAFUOR. I'm the principal exponent to the spiritual world. Glory to our Father, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. Amin shirawo echiamu nyina ame adoma ibishia hey Yankopon kam ho na omama sundwie ibishia na mi shira mu bebre me da wase eti me ba chaw mo a ma adwen am se me na me de car abo woman me ba chaw obi ani ho na adwen ye adwuma obetwi sa car no wo krom abrawunim se city mu na wonam no what you say eti OPATAFUOR me yenim difo onyankopon honhom wo me so eti min nam krom entwi sa car ne da eti ukoto se yesi OPATAFUOR de car bo bi ambajo mva car mo bi a eni die kwam eni ahobrase kwam ana enye se ya lusu steer control ana bibi nemum car wo de baby no bi di abehwim entina me de video ni bibia de akire wo no tinyame nhyira mo amen ka mo nyina mo amusu awia ni nyina mo nkafra o mo nkafra nyame be nyame nhyira mo amusend me message na wo WhatsApp me pa chaw afi na me be yi mo ano na ma respond mo afi na ma ba fi Mr. Osehoye obi obaka se Mr. Osehoye bi oboa ni trimi okay so oni de oni nwi aha enti bi mfa ne se sa na meka ni more recurrent ewum se car no koto ne so but bibia anye no edimu a mosi mpacha ose kofi ewu no wu yu oh obi antimi nku ose kofi da Bible nsam no ho a high ranking principality, a high ranking principality principality no ho ye ka principality a enye ewiem asum atumfuo no me ka Nyankopon principality. Owura Jesus say honor the head of all principality. Nti Osekofi is a high ranking principality. Felix Bibi said, Papa, why that name? Which name? Can you tell me? What name are you talking about? In the heavenly dimension, there is only 3 scribes in heaven. Oh, Nyankopon ahinim scribe omwo ye 3 pe. Okay. Ebenezer Dunya says, Osekofi the principality. Yes, you must understand that. Oh, Obi Busa say, why that name? But odi edi na aka ho asem. There. Felix Bibi says, why you called Osekofi that name? What name? I don't get it. Is it the principality that you don't get it or what? You can say principality. Principality you obi odi to me. Obi odi to me. Into Osekofi odi to me kura no. Okura me poma. Into to me kura no. Into a high principality. Onye ordinary principality. Sanity. Until I'm a friend of principality, no. And sanity, be a odi to me be a friend of principality. Into a rank. Until I'm friends and be okay. Thank you very much. You're welcome once again. Good night to you all, wherever that you're watching live. It's a privilege to have you watch this live telecast as well. Don't forget to tell people that I've come to explain what's actually happened in the video. I'm not the one who actually caused that accident, and I'm not the one who took the life of that woman. Okay? Okay. It shall be well. Stay blessed.